Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig feeds baby Alexander her cousin.
Let's start drawing.
Let's draw Peppa Pig. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. And now her mouth. And a circle for her cheek, her ears, and her body. Let's draw her arms. And a can of soup in her hand. Then I draw a spoon in her little hand. Let's draw baby Alexander's eyes now. I draw the nose and the shape of his head. Now I draw his mouth and a circle for his cheek. I draw his ears, his body, and his arms. Baby Alexander is the cousin of Peppa Pig. He is a very cute and playful baby. I draw a chair for him. I love it.
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's color Peppa Pig. For her skin, I'm going to use this pink marker. I use light purple for her cheek. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. And this other shade of red for her dress. Yellow for the soup can. And aquamarine. Gray. I color baby Alexander's skin with the same pink marker as Peppa's. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. I use light purple for her cheek, pink, and her baby dress is going to be yellow. Let's use this blue color for the chair where Alexander is sitting. Dark blue.
Really good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.